Now, before we delve into language, last week we showed a bit about how to handle protest behaviors. And it was really a technique video about really, okay, what are the things that you need to strive for and do to maximize the child's learning in terms of, eliminating these problematic behaviors. We didn't get a chance then to kind of see like the after videos, so we showed like right in the middle of a protest. We didn't show the beginning, we didn't really show the end. But to me, that wasn't what the goal was. The goal was to just show you, okay, what are the wrong things to be doing in a protest and what are the right techniques to be using when handling a protest. So today we'll see like, well, what happens when you get behaviors under control?
Do this. All right, good clap. Do this. Do this. Perfect. Do this. Yeah, get arms up. Do this. All right, good sprint.
All right. So the thing is that all those behaviors that we talk about week in and week out, the crying, the screaming, the falling to the floor, the running away, all of those behaviors inhibit learning. They actually stop the child from learning. Why? Because they're spending so much time doing it. And the goal is to eliminate all those so that the child can learn up to what their potential is. It is extremely rare for any of our kids to immediately listen to what we ask them to do. Without exception, every child will fight and will battle before they'll start to listen. And they'll go through all of these kind of behaviors, all of the inappropriate behaviors first before they start to listen. So the thing is, the battles are tiring. The battles are exhausting. The battles are hard to take on. However, the battles are always, always, always worth it. A year later, 2 years later, 3 years later. Why? Because your life gets so much easier. The child's life gets so much better because as you kind of get rid of these behaviors, your child will have more fun. They will be happier because they're not spending all of their time engaging in all these problematic behaviors. So for all the parents out there, I really encourage you, fight those battles. They are worth fighting because your life will be better. It's just in the moment, it's gonna be really, really tough, but it's worth it in the end.